Evening, fellow scrapologists. We're at the shop, just ready to close up for the night. We tore a couple things apart, got some sheet aluminum off the I think there were stoves we took apart, a washer and a dryer, and we got some nice clean cast aluminum started. What else did we get done? Not a heck of a lot. We just made some space here a bit. Oh, it's been sore as heck we are. Hey, that's garbage now. So say we're just getting ready to pull out at the door opens, so it's time to start shutting heaters down, and there, all the heat's off now. There, so we'll try to get this done here. Friday we come in, load that up, get that out of the way. We'll have the truck to load up, so we'll load those two things up in the truck. There's two of those. We won't bother moving those out tonight. We'll do that Friday. Big storm coming here overnight tonight. It's supposed to start after midnight. Heavy rain. And we got to come in over the weekend and try to get these here processed out. So we got some more storage buckets, storage pails along the wall. We're running out of storage stuff. We gotta start throwing our motors on the, our heavy motors down there on the ground, cannot put them in. Our wire bucket is getting fuller. Yeah, we just did a bunch of little things today. And it was a start. Make sure these tools are all put up. I should try to keep at least a little bit of organization when we leave, so I know where stuff's at when I come in the mornings. What in the world's in this now? Oh yeah, the charge in the battery for the Sawzall. We'll set that right here for now. So it's coming along. We can, yeah, as long as the battery power, it won't freeze. It's not cold enough now. So I don't have to worry about that anymore. Here's the other one of those. Take our screwdriver, you can put them all over where they belong. So if you organize a little bit at night, or when you're done work, you have to be very neat about it. As long as they're in the general vicinity where they should be, you're gonna be able to find them. What's that, buddy?
Want me to drop the trailer?
Put the back up. We gotta back it up to the door first.
Oh yeah. You got what?
Back up the door before we unhook it.
Alright.
So you just gather your tools a little bit and throw your screwdrivers they belong. As my old punch goes there. These go over here. Found those. Those are my security bits. Found them by accident tonight.
Camera works better.
And let's see. Take this, put it here. Some more wires that aren't finished. Blue bucket. We put them in the blue bucket? No, we start putting them in a white bucket. Right here. Unfinished wires. Get them up. Yeah, Squirrely's a good worker, but he jumps from one thing to another and never cleans up after himself. Which leads for a big problem in the mornings. And I was corrected by Katie Scraps that these are actually copper. So I took them out of my brass bucket. They're not. Boys, brass like I thought they were. Just put these two over here. Where's the new one? There's two. So yeah, we're still trying to figure out where to put stuff in here. Can't really organize stuff till you get a thing going. That's what I wanted to do. Reminded myself with that. I want to take this home with me tonight because I've got a project to do at the house. And I need those. And I need this metric set. Take that with me. Just fuse down here with the other ones. So yeah, we got a wider path in here tonight. Go back on last night's video and you'll notice we didn't have much room in here at all. So we got a path started. After we load up Friday, we should have path right out here done. And a lot of this stuff here gone. So hopefully we'll have enough time Friday to take over some non-ferrous. Consider some money for the weekend because we got to pick up a bunch of industrial lights on Friday evening and a dryer. And then we got a garage clean again on the weekend. Still good to get out of that. And all this extruded aluminum I got
Finders keepers.
is going to come in handy. Oh, that's screwed up with. Yeah. So yeah, we got some stuff we clean up real quick and take in for some extra cash for the weekend. We got 3 car batteries in here we can take in. I'll take this part right quick at the cast loan, take that in. Yeah. So it's coming along. Scrap pile's gonna be down. I gotta tear that apart, CRT TV, the microwave in there. We'll load that oven, piece of stove back up tomorrow. Thanks, buds, for almost about that. And yeah, we're all ready to go. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed the little update. And we'll take a walk on the truck here. And we'll come back in. So we sorry to get coffee is what it is. It's what he comes to work for, coffee. So yeah, we'll put a strap in it so we can think about moving it. Is the store locked? No. Amazing. All right. So yep. Got a bit of a load on, half loaded. Finish loading this up, load the truck up on Friday. And we'll take it to a scrapyard. Should give us with this load here, probably about 150 bucks worth of shred. And hopefully another 80 or 90 for the non-ferrous. That'll give us a couple $100 a weekend and keep us going. And we worked all weekend, of course. He goes, it's Mark's break here, so I got him to torture for the whole week, but he has Wednesdays off school. So I'll have him Wednesdays and Saturdays and Sundays until summer vacation. And then I torture him all the time. I'm such a loving father. I love torturing my kid. That's what I had him for. All right, guys. So we're off. Hope y'all had a great day to yourselves. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. And you guys have a great night. Please like, subscribe, share, comment, all that wonderful stuff. You take care and God bless y'all.